He is not my beau. He is a stranger. I must get to know him in time, maybe.
Nonsense! That is not the way. There are many ladies available to him. You must stake your claim and do what you must to claim him. He will not wait, understood? I will tell you the secret of amour. I think I got you a very good deal. Much better than the one my maman got me, huh? You would have so much more, my chérie. And I would not have to make potions and sell parfums de l'amour. But you still had nice things and did not have to work outside. So you are luckier than many. And you were taught to read and write. You will meet with him alone in the parlor and talk before the deal is final. This is the way for those of us who have choices. Many do not have a choice, but we are lucky to have a choice. My mama was playing on the beach in Africa when they came and took her. That was all she would say about it, that they took her. She was just a girl. She was taken to live and be treated like an animal. But she was lucky to have choices presented to her. Live like a dog or live better and perhaps gain property and money for your family. My grandparent was an Arab trader and bought many beautiful things from all over Africa and Asia. My mama was used to having nice things. It is not hard for her to make the choice of the better life. She became the lover of a wealthy Frenchman, my father. He gave her a nice house and a slave to clean. She did not have to live like an animal and work like a dog. But she was alone, with no mother to make a deal for her. When he went back to France to his wife and children, she had little else. It was hard for her. She would make hats and dresses for the rich woman to feed me and keep the house. She may have done other things. I heard stories that many had to do other things.